Hi everyone, welcome back. So this legal envelope journal I created was inspired by the lovely Osildina Scrap Ann. Oh, I think I'm pronouncing her name correctly. I really enjoyed making this one. It was something different for me. It's dealing with a lot of laces and trims. So yeah. This first page, it's got a little flip. And I just stuck this in here, and I didn't take the sticky off. I'm just going to leave it on. And this one right here, you can actually move it. And the same with this one. And this one too. And it's the bottom one is glued down. And I just simply tuck these little tags in to this little pocket. Trim, tea stained dolly. Tea stained this bag. And this is parchment paper, and I just added this trim on it. I think they call this like a envelope waterfall journal. Create this little tuck spot. This lovely lace, and main trimming and the lace at the top. And this right here is some accounting paper, ledger. Page out of the Winnie the Pooh book. And then I'll just collage this little section here. And some of these papers are from Osildina's website. She has a shop on Etsy. Let me go back. This is from her as well. And this paper here, she's got some lovely items. If you don't follow her on YouTube, you need to. She's got some beautiful handmade journaling and some other items. Very creative. And I just oxidize these trims, inked it up. Create a little tuck spot. This is her papers as well. So this little trim detail with this flower. And handmade inked up paper. Then I just simply put this in here. It's something that I created. It's an envelope. Thought it was very pretty and the colors matched. So I just put some lace on it. Got 3 pieces of laces. And then it's a postcard, vintage postcard. And then you can journal on the back. journaling spot. Belly band. Another tuck spot. I put lace on this one. And I just put this card here. These pages can open. Plenty of spaces to journal in. I missed the middle section. I meant to show you these little charms that I put on here. It's a flower. And I have this elephant and a button. And I created this little embellishment here with some ruffles, lace, violin, a little tuck spot here on the back, and in the pocket I have this little vintage ephemera. And this paper also opens up for more journaling space. And I just created a tuck spot for these items. And it's just some scrap paper from one of my other projects. It's just more space that you can journal in. If you like my videos, if you would please like and subscribe and share them, I would appreciate it. Another item from Oladocina. It's an Etsy shop, and I just put lace on it. It's a piece of ephemera, and this one as well. And I just clip it onto this page. Music sheet. Another tea-dyed dolly, and I just put this flower paper applique on it. Alice in Wonderland ephemera. And I also put this bohemian applique that I got from Boho Needs on here. And this also flips out. Very pretty paper. This is from Stampery. And this is the back. And I also trimmed out and put a floral applique on this one, and I just have this postcard with some lace trim for the tab, and this pocket. This is the first one that I made of this style, and I will be making more. I absolutely love it. And this little tuck spot on the back for this tab that I made. You can journal on it as well. And the back cover. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a lovely day. Bye.